Welcome to my channel, where today we are unlocking the gates to the future of luxury travel. The 2026 Lincoln Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle. It's a moving fortress of innovation, luxury, and design brilliance. Lincoln has taken everything we know about high-end living and combined it with state-of-the-art engineering to create a motorhome that rivals even the most exclusive $15 million mansions. Imagine stepping inside a motorhome that gives you the lifestyle of a billionaire, with elegance, comfort, and technology integrated in every corner. This is more than travel. This is living the dream on wheels. Let's start with one of the most essential and stunning areas, the kitchen. The 2026 Lincoln Motorhome kitchen is designed like a five-star restaurant in motion. It comes with a full-size smart refrigerator that adapts its cooling to the food you store. The induction cooktop is touch-controlled with advanced safety systems, and the oven doubles as both convection and steam, giving you professional-level cooking at your fingertips. The countertops are crafted from luxurious quartz stone, glowing under ambient LED lights. Lincoln has integrated storage cleverly. Deep cabinets that close softly, modular drawers, and even hidden compartments for your utensils. A premium espresso machine, dishwasher, and built-in wine chiller ensure that whether you're cooking or entertaining, you're doing it in pure style. This kitchen doesn't just support travel living, it upgrades it to gourmet perfection. Now, let's walk into the bedroom, your private sanctuary. Lincoln has designed the bedroom to rival the comfort of a presidential suite. A California king-size bed with orthopedic memory foam adjusts itself according to your sleeping position. Surrounding the bed are soft, customizable lighting panels that create the perfect ambiance. The walls are lined with handcrafted wood finishes and soundproofing, so your rest is undisturbed. There's a large smart OLED display mounted elegantly for entertainment, while climate control allows you to adjust temperature with just a voice command. Automated blinds open to reveal panoramic windows, so you can wake up to the sunrise wherever you are parked. With luxury fabrics, high-end decor, and every convenience within reach, this bedroom feels more like a palace on the move than a simple motorhome space. Stepping into the drawing room is like entering a world-class lounge. This space is designed for socializing, relaxing, and entertaining in maximum comfort. Plush leather recliners and a modular sofa system allow seating for large groups, with built-in massage and heating functions. A massive curved smart TV with immersive surround sound transforms the room into a private cinema. Hidden LED strips light the room with a futuristic glow, while large tinted windows give you both privacy and breathtaking views. The floor is finished with polished marble-inspired vinyl, giving luxury and durability in one. For hosting guests or enjoying downtime with family, this drawing room sets a new benchmark in mobile living. It's elegance, entertainment, and relaxation all rolled into one. And now we come to the bathroom, a place where Lincoln truly redefines expectations. Forget cramped, basic motorhome bathrooms. This is a spa retreat on wheels. A full walk-in rain shower with customizable pressure modes gives you a hotel-like bathing experience. The shower walls are crafted with Italian tiles and accented by gold trim fixtures. A floating vanity holds dual sinks, each with illuminated mirrors and smart temperature controls. The toilet system is eco-friendly yet ultra-modern, ensuring comfort and sustainability. Heated flooring, a towel warmer, and even built-in aromatherapy complete the spa-like environment. Every detail in this bathroom screams indulgence, giving you relaxation wherever the road takes you. Now let's talk about why the 2026 Lincoln Motorhome has become the most trending name in the world of luxury travel. It's not just about comfort. It's about the way Lincoln has integrated 2025's advanced technology into a mobile lifestyle. From AI-assisted driving to adaptive suspension for smooth rides, from biometric entry systems to full smart home integration, This motorhome stands as the pinnacle of innovation. It's a perfect combination of design artistry and futuristic functionality, making it one of the most desirable motorhomes of its generation. So, what do you think? Would you choose the 2026 Lincoln Motorhome over a $15 million mansion? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss how luxury on wheels is changing the way we dream about travel. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most luxurious rides. Until next time, keep exploring in style. Self.